Hello, welcome to this update. So let's see the severe weather in the US and the tropics here. So feel free to skip to the severe weather section if you want. So we have still these two disturbances in the next 7 days. This one in parts of Central America and the other one there near the southeast. So let's see. Recent data from Air Force Reserve recognized aircraft and visual satellite image indicate a low pressure 20 miles Jacksonville, Florida has a well-developed center circulations producing near 35 mile per hour winds. So, however, only a small increase in organizational showers thunderstorms could result in a formation of short-lived tropical depression before it reaches the coast of northeastern Florida, Georgia tonight. And the interest there should monitor. So 60%. So I'll show you the satellite imagery soon, but it was very defined there. So let's see. There's this disturbance 2, 50% in the next 2 days and 60 in the next 7 days. So let's see. A broad area of low pressures forecast to form in the southwestern Gulf of Mexico later today. Environmental conditions appear conducive for gradual development after the system moves over the Bay of Campeche tonight, and a tropical depression could form on the southwestern Gulf of Mexico this weekend, while it moves west-northwestward or northwestward. Interests along the Gulf of Mexico should monitor the progress of the system, especially in those areas where they had the heavy rainfall there. The ground is already saturated, so it could cause more flooding in those areas. So stay safe, please. So this is the rainfall from the Euro in the next 72 hours. So let's just put like 24 hours first, and then so this is the rainfall in the next 24 hours from the Euro. And I know we are talking the tropics, but it has some interesting amounts for Canada there too. So let's see. Here, the next 24 hours, it shows more rain over Cuba, parts of the Bahamas, Central America there, Mexico. And it's interestingly showing that very high area of rain in Mexico there. So be aware. Some in the Lesser Antilles, too, in the Atlantic and Southern South America. So let's see here. Wait. Precipitation 72 hours now. So in the next 72 hours, it shows more in the Yucatan there, more in Guatemala, Mexico, El Salvador, parts of Central America, a little bit more too. And it's showing those huge amounts for Mexico there. So the people there gotta monitor this and stay safe. Shows more for Florida too, a lot for the ocean there because of the system, some for South Carolina and Georgia there. And let's see, in the Atlantic, more because of the tropical waves here. Northern South America will get more. Colombia, the Lesser Antilles, some more showers, maybe a thunderstorm, and more in this general area. So let's see here, some models. So here's the GFS. You can see that system has a well-defined shape there, but it's not any big cycle or anything. It's still a disturbance. And then it has this thing coming up from the Bay of Campeche by tomorrow, forming a 105 or 106 low pressure there and crashing to Mexico by Sunday. So it shows very heavy rain in those areas too, like the Euro showed. So there it has some rain in Florida, the Bahamas and some areas. And then it has more heavy rain in Central America. Let's see, some more rains there. And then it has some more tropical waves there, especially by July 1st. It's showing some more moisture there with some tropical waves, but it's not showing any more cyclones or anything. Just maybe a low pressure there by July 7th, but that's extremely far out. So let's focus on what we have now. So the Euro here has the heavy rain in Central America, the area of low pressure forming there, and striking Mexico by starting to affect Mexico with the heavy rains by tomorrow, but making landfall by Sunday, yeah, or early Monday, but mainly Sunday. And then some more tropical waves there, by June 24th. Could have some more moisture and rain there and everything. And let's see, it has that area there affecting Florida, South Carolina, Georgia, and more scattered rains. And the Canadian is also picking up that system, heavy rains in Mexico and Central America, and then it goes into Mexico there by Sunday and Monday, and heavy rains in Mexico too because of that. So all the models are picking up a low pressure there, but it won't be as strong as Alberto, but we might have a tropical depression or something, so we gotta monitor. Let's see the severe weather now. So let's see. I'm going a little bit faster today because don't have much time, but let's keep you all informed. So we have this light risk here from Arizona all the way up into Montana and all the way east into Wisconsin. The tornado threat is actually 5% from Minnesota into Nebraska and South Dakota, and 5% in Montana, so stay safe there. 2% from Montana to Wisconsin, and 2% in the Four Corners there. So let's see, wind is 15% in the slight and 5% in the marginal, and hail is similar, but mainly in those areas of Montana, some very large hail, so please be safe there today. Parts of the Four Corners there 15%, and this other 15% there too. So let's see. Scary strong to severe thunderstorms are expected from parts of the upper Mississippi Valley into the northern high plains and into the Four Corners vicinity. A few strong storms may occur over parts of the lower Great Lakes, southern New England. So stay safe. Today we will check the model there soon. Let's see, day 2 for Saturday. So there's this marginal there, North Dakota going to Canada, and this marginal from parts of Kansas all the way to Ontario, and this light from parts of Missouri there to Wisconsin, and this marginal in parts of the Northeast tomorrow. So tornado threat is just 2% tomorrow from Missouri to Wisconsin. Wind is 15 and 5% in those areas, and hail just 5% in those two areas. So severe storms will be possible across the upper Mississippi Valley and upper Midwest on Saturday. Damaging winds, isolated hail, and a tornado or two are possible. So stay safe tomorrow. Day 3 is just a marginal from parts of Tennessee all the way into Maine, so probabilistic 5%. And isolated severe thunderstorms will be possible on Sunday for parts of the Northeast and Mid-Atlantic and to the Ohio Valley. So stay safe. And day 4 through 8 I already checked, there's nothing. And fire is no critical there. So let's see. Some high temperatures for today, some 112s in the southwest, lots of 90s. And day 2 here, as you can see, more 90s, 100s in many areas. Stay safe. Day 3 here, let's see. Day 4, still some 100s and 90s, 100s in the plains too. Let's see. Day 5, and you have the day on top here. Let's see. Day 6, still hot in parts of the Atlantic, Texas, the plains, and parts of the southwest. And day 7 here, let's see, even hotter in some areas. So let's see. The 24-hour max wind gusts, if you are interested. And be aware in Florida and Georgia with rip currents, because 2 or 3 people have already died this week because of rip currents there. So let's see for Canada. We have this severe thunderstorm watch in British Columbia there. So the environment is favorable for the development of some severe thunderstorms, so be aware there. Let's see. This page is so cranky. Let's see. In Alberta, we have some heat warnings and air quality statements. In southern Ontario, some heat warnings still. So let's see here. quantitative precipitation for today, tomorrow, day 3, day 4, day 5, day 6, day 7. So days 1 through 7 here. So lots of rain in some areas, excessive rainfall. Please be careful. It's a huge moderate today for flash flooding, so please be careful. As a marginal there in the southeast, marginal slight in the northeast, this big slide there from South Dakota to Wisconsin too, and this slide from New Mexico to Utah, Arizona and Colorado, and this marginal there, so please be careful. Day 2, a slight there in the Midwest, and a marginal in southern Texas, another marginal in the southwest, another marginal in Florida and Georgia, and another marginal in the northeast. Day 3, a marginal there, southern Texas, and a slight in the northeast and marginal. Day 4, just 2 marginals. Day 5, 2 marginals. So let's see, the excessive rainfall here, stay safe. Still some big heat risk there. And let's see, the HER here for today, we have many storms there, especially parts of Canada there, Montana too, Wyoming, some strong storms. There in the Four Corners, lots of strong to severe thunderstorms. Be aware of flash flooding too, some storms in Nebraska, some strong ones in Minnesota and Iowa, and maybe a strong storm or two in the northeast, or a severe one. And in Ontario too, some storms possible. And let's see some stronger ones there by the end of this run in Iowa, South Dakota and more areas. So stay safe, please. Sorry for this fast video, but thanks for watching. Let's just show you the hazards here. Flood watches, heat warnings, advisories, heat watches. Yeah, stay safe. Wait, before you stay safe, let's just see here some models for precipitation here. Let's see. There, of course, because of the moderate risk, the flash flooding and everything. In Texas there, and then in the southeast, because of this system, we start getting some more there. Let's see. And then, yeah, not much there, but this is mainly it. Let's see here just the GFS again for one more thing. Let's see here. Lower dynamics, wait. I'm almost there. Wait. Almost there. I don't think it's here. Wait, let's see. Here, so by June 29th or 30th, we got some signals that a new front might cross the US there with that big low pressure in Canada. And then by June 30th, July 1st, still some remnants of that front there affecting the northeast and other areas. And then by July 3rd, the GFS kind of aggressive with some other systems there and stuff. And then even by July 5th, it shows some other systems there and everything, but that's very far out, so we will keep watching that. Stay safe.